Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share custard apple fruit cream delight or Sitafal fruit cream delight. Let's get started. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. This is custard apple and this is the pulp, custard apple pulp, that is Sitafal. And this is the brand I bought it. You can find it in all Indian market in the fruits frozen section. I have taken heavy whipping cream. I'll be taking 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Making this fruit cream is very easy but very delicious. Do surely try if you get this Sitafal fruit. If you don't get Sitafal or it's not in season, just go with any seasonal fruit. You will be getting the same way but the taste will be different. Before even starting this fruit cream, I forgot to just mix this 1 tablespoon gelatin in nice hot water. We will mix it and keep it aside so that it will be nicely dissolved. Now again, let's continue beating this heavy whipping cream. To that I am adding 1 cup of pulp. This is Sitafal or custard apple pulp. Nicely give it a good mix. This is only 1 cup. Now again I will be adding another cup. I am not adding lot of sugar. I am just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can taste it and accordingly you can increase or decrease because Sitafal itself will be very sweet. So I am adding very little sugar. Now nicely beat it together. Whipping this cream will give nice thickness as well. Now I'll be adding this gelatin in that. This will just set the cream even if it has little bit moisture in it. Nicely give it a good mix. See the consistency. Let's keep aside. And I have taken the pound cake. This is homemade pound cake. You can use any store-bought one also, no worries. You can take any flavors. This is just vanilla flavored pound cake I have taken. I just sliced it very thin for layering. You can also break it and make crumbly for making layers. I have taken a nice flat bowl in which I am layering all this pound cake which I have taken. You can also take sponge cake or chocolate cake or any cake of your choice. To that I am adding the cream, 1 layer of cream. Again I will be adding 1 more layer of the cake. This is how you can do multiple times. And again I will be layering it with this fruit cream. This is a very delicious fruit cream which keeps me always reminded of Haji Ali Cream Center which is in Mumbai, and now it has branches in many other places too. This Sitafal flavor is the most popular of all. Now I am garnishing it with nuts. You can choose any nuts. I have taken pista and almonds. The same way you can choose any fruit, mangoes, pineapple and like that. But Sitafal is very delicious and it's very popular. Nowadays we will be getting this frozen Sitafal everywhere. This fruit cream has to be served very chill, so keep it in the fridge for 4 hours at least before serving. Now what I'm showing is just small party ideas which you can create in small disposable glasses. Whenever you have party, you can prepare like this ahead of time. For this reason, you can take chocolate cake in between. The layering will be very prominent through this glass. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.